Everyone, today's video is a little something special. I'm excited to share that my first authored cookbook, Japan the Ultimate Cookbook, is coming out on May 13th, 2025. First, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you amazing people who've tried my recipes. This cookbook wouldn't exist without you trying my recipes out at home. And a big thanks to Cider Mill Press, HarperCollins Focus, and HarperCollins for making this project happen. When I launched my Sriracha website back in 2020, I had this little goal to collaborate with a traditional publishing house and create a physical cookbook you could hold in your hands. And now we're here. This beast of a cookbook, and I mean that in the best way possible, contains 300 carefully selected recipes. It's a hefty hardcover book that's basically an encyclopedia, and it's as thick as a banana, as you can see right here. If you've ever thought about trying your hand at cooking Japanese food at home, this book's got you covered. It covers everything from the basics you need to know for everyday Japanese home cooking to more involved recipes inspired by restaurants, izakayas, and street food. So it's a one-stop shop. I thought it would be a bit boring to just make an announcement video and be done. So instead, I've handpicked a recipe to make for my YouTube viewers that's exclusive to the book. So let's try the 15-minute shoyu ramen soup from page 393. We'll also use all the toppings featured in the cookbook. Alright, I guess enough chit chat, let's get started. First, we're mixing our tare ingredients. Into a bowl, I put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese chicken bouillon powder, half teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of duck fat, though today I'm using lard instead because that's what I have on hand, and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. Oh, and just so you know, most recipes in the cookbook serves 4, but today I'm making half the amount for just 2 servings. Give everything a good mix. If your duck fat or lard is being difficult and won't blend well, you can heat it up quickly to melt it. That'll get everything mixing together nicely. Next, we heat up 2 cups of dashi stock until it's boiling. In a separate pot, boil your ramen noodles, then drain them in a colander. Just give them a little shake to get rid of any extra water. Just so you know, the cookbook's got recipes for both homemade dashi and homemade noodles. You can literally make everything from scratch and have fun mixing and matching the different elements. Then it's on to the assembly already. Divide the tare evenly between each bowl. Then pour in the piping hot dashi stock, dividing it equally. Then give it a swirl to mix tare and stock together. Now add those perfectly cooked noodles, dividing them evenly among the bowls. Now let's talk about the toppings everyone loves. Today I'm going all out with the shortcut oven baked chashu from page 382. Memma-like stir fried bamboo shoots from page 383. And ajitama egg from page 378. We'll then add some freshly chopped green onions, crispy garlic chips from page 386, and a piece of nori seaweed. And there you have it, serve immediately while it's nice and hot and the noodles are still their best. If you give this quick ramen recipe a try and enjoy it, I'd be happy if you'd consider grabbing a copy of the cookbook too. The ramen section alone has many more quick and easy soup-based recipes and topping options that you could customize your own bowl. Thanks so much for watching today's special video. If you'd like to learn more about the cookbook, including which retailers sell it, just click that link to my article showing on screen right now. I'll see you next time in my next regular recipe video.